Okay, so our application is limited to Shopify stores only. So to log in into our platform, you must need a Shopify store, and you need to install our application Flits, which is listed on a Shopify app store here. Okay, so we have for this much review. Okay, so once merchant will logged into our application, okay, we have a functionality of a store credit loyalty program. So we need to send email whenever the adjust credit activity happen for the customer. So we need this integration. Okay, so here it is. Once a merchant will click on integrate with this button, okay, he will be asked for this consent screen, and you can check our client ID here. So this is our client ID. Okay, now this is the redirect URI scope. Okay, to send emails from the selected email ID. So suppose a merchant is using this email address as their business email ID. So whenever the customer's credit activity happen, we need to add send email from this email ID. That is why we need a send email. Okay, I will show you that how it will work. So once it is allowed, it will be reflected here that this email address is integrated with our platform. Okay, so merchant can set up their email subject and content here. Store credit subject follow verification. Currently we have a setup with this email platform with this email ID. So whenever the adjust credit will happen, it will send the email from selected email ID. Suppose let's say we have adjusted random number 13. So current credit is this, and after adjusted it will be this much. Okay, so this email will be sent from the email ID. Let me show you where it will be displayed. So currently I am logged in the integrated email ID. You can check that email will display here in a sent. So this is the content what is actually sent. 13 credit we have adjusted, and this is the total credit. We have set up that thing in here. Here it is. This is a dynamic fields. Okay, so this email is sent to milling@catflix.com. So here it is. Here the subject for verification, and this is the content. So the functionality is working perfectly fine from our end. Okay, let me know if you need access to this our store. You can share me a email ID. I will send you a invitation to access this store.